Unlocking the meaning of I Discerned That, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, I discerned that. This expression is not only intriguing but also quite useful in everyday English. So, let's explore together what it means and how to use it effectively. I discerned that is a phrase that combines the verb discern with a connecting word that. To discern means to perceive, recognize, or understand something, especially when it's not immediately obvious. It's often used when someone has noticed or realized something through insight or careful observation. For example, I discerned that the situation was more complicated than it appeared. She discerned that the painting was a forgery. In these examples, the speaker has understood or recognized something that might not be clear to everyone. 1. The verb, discern. At the heart of this phrase is the verb discern. It's a bit more formal and less common than words like see or understand, but it adds a layer of depth, indicating a careful or thoughtful realization. 2. The connector, that. This word links the verb to what the person has discerned. It introduces a clause explaining the specific insight or realization. 3. Contextual use. This phrase is often used in more formal or literary contexts. It's great for academic writing, professional settings, or when you want to convey a sense of thoughtfulness in your speech. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. After reviewing the evidence, I discerned that we needed a different approach. I discerned that she was unhappy, despite her smiling face. Notice how in each case, the speaker has come to a realization after some observation or thought. I discerned that is a valuable phrase to understand and use in your English communication. It adds sophistication to your language and expresses a thoughtful, insightful perception. We hope this video helps you grasp and apply this phrase in your own conversations and writings. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.